What's up guys, welcome back to the video. So this is my E92 M3. My phone fits in the steering wheel, which is perfect. Didn't have that on the GTR. So yeah, so this video guys, it's going to just be going through my new E92 M3 and why I bought it, and yeah, the whole sort of shebang about it. So I bought this car about 2-3 weeks ago now, probably 3 weeks ago. It's done relatively low mileage. It's at like 65,000. It's had an ECU remap at Evolve BMW, so it's 450 horsepower with the deleted cats. So it does sound really nice as well. It's not got a modded exhaust at the moment like that. I'm not entirely sure if I want one, just purely because I don't think, I mean, you can get some that sound nice, but I like how distinctive it is and how quiet it can be in auto as well. So I'm not sure if I want to run like a loud exhaust. I've been looking around for one, but you know, nothing's really taken my fancy at the moment. So yeah, it's done 65,000. Maintenance wise on it, it's had a full service history and everything. The only thing that I need to get done to it are the rod bearings, which is about £1,500 job, and the prop shaft, the bearing or the mount for that, because I've got that cowbell noise at the moment, so it's a little bit ding ding ding. But other than that guys, this car is fantastic. It's almost as, to compare it to the GTR, it's a completely different car. So this, you get all your power at the other end, and the GTR is just instant power all the time. Now it's totally different cars. I love the GTR. It was just amazing. But this, there's just something about it that I think I prefer more. So for those of you who don't know, I used to have an E92, but it was like the 330, and that went round a wall. So yeah, so when it comes to rear wheel drive cars, I'm a little bit skeptical, and you know, I've had a past of them not being too great. So yeah, we're back here, back to our roots, and yeah, so later on I'll do a POV drive video of the car, show you how it sounds and what it's like to drive, and probably, maybe not in this video, but the next one we'll go over sort of like running costs of this car. And before I bought this car, I was watching quite a lot of videos from America, and to fill up a tank of fuel over there is literally like $35, even less than that. And over here it's literally cost me £75 to fill up a full tank. So it's literally like 30 something dollars is like 25 quid, not even that, £23. So you're literally paying like 4 or 5 times more in price for fuel over in the UK. It's absolutely insane. When I had the GTI, it wasn't a problem, because that was when we had the massive oil drop, and the price of fuel literally was £1, so it wasn't that bad. But now it's 140, 150, you know, it's crazy. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video, and we'll do another little walk around, and then we'll jump into the driver's seat and show you what it's about. But yeah, it's also had the gearbox remapped as well, which has crazy gear changes on it. Absolutely insane. It really gives you a kick. Like, I wasn't expecting, when the guy took me for a test drive in it, I wasn't expecting that kind of power from this car, because everyone was telling me is, you know, power's at the other end. But Jesus, this thing does move. You know, I didn't buy it. I could have spent the same amount of money and bought something a lot faster, but I wanted to buy something that wasn't going to depreciate in value. I think these have already hit rock bottom, and being the last sort of 4-litre V8 naturally aspirated engine that BMW have done, you know, I don't think they're going to go down in price. I think they might be a future classic car. So for me, it's not an investment, but it's more of a safe liability, you could say. But yeah, it's just a totally different, you know, I bought it because it's something I've always wanted, and I just thought, you know, time's right, let's buy it and see what happens. And we found the right one, and here we are. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope you guys enjoy the view of me driving it in a little while, and as always, I'll see you in a bit. God damn. Now I might be able to do a POV drive now, but I'm pretty sure I have to wear my hat because otherwise it doesn't work out too well. For the tomatoes and strawberries. So I'll have to see, because what I have is what I've got is this. And now last time I wore this in the GTR, my seat was too high, so you couldn't really see much. So what I've done was I stuck it on my hat and I managed to make it work. So let's just see, because I film everything off my phone. So let's just see if we can get anything now. If not, I will think of someone else. So pretty much what happened was I filmed on the back headrest, and it was so shaky that I couldn't put that in this video. So I've got my hat now and I've got my mount. So let's just see how this goes. The only downside now is it's currently raining and it's miserable outside, but let's see. So hope you guys enjoy the video. One thing I definitely miss is having the rain just roll up the window. I can't really go too crazy, guys, because of the rain, obviously, but we'll go to an open road in a minute. I do hate roads like this though. Jesus, that was close. These are crazy roads as they are, and it's just even more crazy wet, so things you do for YouTube, huh? And I also look like a complete twat with a phone on my head, so I hope this comes out alright. But I hope you can hear the downshifts on this. It just sounds lovely. tell you, this will be a lovely road in a day. All over the place, man. We're so fucking lost right now. So we basically just went all the country lanes to where we're going on this road now. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it as good, but let's stick open the sunroof and might be able to get a bit of hearing like that. Pissed that the film didn't come out too well on the last one, just because it was a really good angle. So yeah, but shit now, it's raining, so and I don't like driving in the wet just because of past experiences, nearly dying and whatnot. Yeah, so it's always fun and games. I just need to overtake this twat. We're in auto mode at the